because if the electricity will go to our body and the electrons and the neutrons will produce one. So that is what we call atoms. So don't forget that no one can no one can, what do you call that, I forgot what's the word of no one can deny. So we have to accept the fact. Oh no, not the fact, the fact. The fact. The facts of the human evolution. Oh, the man and a woman evolution of the earth. And this is what we call the humanity.
Humanity of the earth.
Yes.
Narang mansion ni ko.
Humanitization, and destruction.
Mabuang si Tito Rico.
So, guys, after that we have to eat. This is very delicious. This is what we call ham. And this is the egg.